Aircraft are just metal constructs assembled on a factory floor. But to the lucky few who fly you, you are always so much more. When you joined us, newly gleaming, latest in a noble line, your majesty and grace impressed us. Now had come your turn to shine. Quickly logging mileage countless, wishes granted on the way, thrilling everyone who flew you, hoping you would always stay. Ice caps, oceans, deserts, forests, you have overflown them all, borne your subjects safely onwards, your reputation standing tall. There were times some pilots cursed you, hurts to say it, but it's true. If you humbled them, the reason was because they disrespected you. You have met our every challenge, explorer of the highest skies, surpassing all who came before you, unrivalled in your pilot's eyes. Soon, your engines will fall silent. Your time has come to finally rest. As you prepare to go and leave us, we say thank you. You've been the best.